Ni na udho chengi tukwateni kwesanzia Facebook ni Ndongoi TV nendi tuambie mauvo maitu na mauvo kuma kaunti ni ya Masaku vala mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku niyasyokea syikalo syayo muthenyani wa umunthi itina kwitha wa MCA mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku manai uthyumuoni wa kavinda muthenyani wa umunthi nendi ainena itina kuvingwa syikalo sya mbunge isu Ndongoi ya aingi mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku Nicholas Nzioka niwathakya mutalala wa kwendekethya maovisaa ma inspectorate na ala ma utheu na uima wa mwii maeke kunyamaasya atandithya anini na ala matoya sya biasala sya kutusya sindu masokoni ma kaunti ya Masaku mutalala usu ni wa kwatomba uniwe kanani utalo munene wa amemba mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku livo chumbanitu niwe Daniel Mwongela.
Nicholas Nzioka nolangi ni MC wa Masaku Central Ndongoi ya aingi mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku edesekana atandithya anini na muno alama twaya syo atandithya wa musini wa Masaku methito maithino muno ni maovisaa ma inspectorate la yuenda maovisaa su mati molo wa governor wa kusovya atandithya su anini na kumanenga utheu wa uthukuma kaunti ya Masaku watekuthenwa
nuno tuonete for the last 2 or 3 weeks section yemwe andu akunima biasala alamanthi alamyota matumbi alamyota smokies alamyota watermelon alama matute ya chino soko wa Masaku maita toba theniwa muno niendo in seeking statement yesu na kulia ala concerned mete stakeholders on the nundu Silikali ndi sayipatula na ene ndi ala ikwikata ikuthukuma kulia alama andikitwe ni manengi wengu ya ni governor matreat hawkers na afanyi kazi biashara alama with dignity ni kumaanisha hata tuite tunenanie ethani kutupanga in a certain street ni tuite kila twende street inesu imbani kutunenga masaa mauta ni tuite kila na lakini pate kwamba kunenania kindu kicha uharas hawkers I condemn it nyenewa kiimbika nae ndo tuimetia kula tuameta sia meo hawkers maine so senzia bado no hawkers kwa hiyo lazima treat with dignity
ni uneni urawa kwa watemba uniamu mama MCA mbungeni no ya kaunti ya Masaku amendekethya maovisaa kuma miveanile konetwe meyumilia mbungeni na kuelese kitumi kinene cha kuweka atandithya amende na uthinwa ni maovisaa su.
And in most cases any payment that is collected in that process, it is not helping our county at all. And for instance, that could be what is happening to the hawkers in Machakos town, just because somebody is not in position to pay what is being demanded, they are being labeled as criminals. But also as we support the agenda of Her Excellency the Governor, to make sure that we have a conducive business environment, we also need to look and ensure that we have a town of order and decency.
There is the issue of vicarious liability. Vicarious liability. Now that is in law of agency. If a principal sent an agent to go and perform a certain task, and during the execution of those duties, the officer executing does a mistake, the person who appointed or the person who sent that agent is liable to what we call vicarious liability. So, Honorable Speaker, I will request that you order whoever is in charge of these inspectorate officers to appear before this house and tell us where is getting powers to go and harass our young mothers, young brothers and young sisters.
Daniel Mwongela, Ndongoi TV, kuanza wa mwako wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku.